The Major Investigation Division is probing the fatal shooting of two brothers at their home in Bath District, Strathbogie in Westmoreland on Tuesday night. Dead are 34-year-old Leon Glaze and 31-year-old Cyril Glaze. A third brother was shot and injured during the deadly attack. This is the second of such incidents in the parish in a month. Reports are that about 10:30 p.m. a lone gunman invaded the men's home and opened fire on the occupants. After the shooting subsided, the three brothers were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were transported to hospital where Leon and Cyril were pronounced dead. The other brother was admitted. His condition is considered serious but stable. On Saturday, May 11, two brothers were shot and killed while playing dominoes at a shop in Burn Savannah Frome in the parish. The deceased were identified as 44-year-old auto mechanic Damien Powell, otherwise called Donkey Knee, and 42-year-old businessman Colin Daly, otherwise called Gary, both from the community. A 61-year-old man was also shot and injured in the incident. The Independent Commission of Investigation has launched a probe into the fatal shooting of a man by the police along Johns Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Tuesday morning. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Jason Taylor, unemployed, of St. John's Road. About 7:30 a.m., a police team reportedly went to 81 St. John's Road in search of Taylor. Upon arrival at the location, it is alleged that Taylor was observed exiting a blue drum with a gun in hand. He reportedly pointed the weapon at the police party, and the members took evasive action and fired. Taylor was shot and the gun reportedly fell to the ground and was retrieved by the police. The police say the weapon was a 9mm pistol, affixed with a magazine containing several rounds of ammunition. Taylor was taken to Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. At least one person has been hospitalized following a two-vehicle collision at the intersection of Hanover Street and Charles Street in downtown Kingston. The crash involved a black Suzuki Vitara and a Toyota Probox taxi. Preliminary reports indicate that the accident happened shortly after 11 a.m. when one of the motorists disobeyed the stoplight, resulting in the collision. A Jamaica Public Service pole was also damaged in the accident.